Hola clase, this is Señora Plesset again. We're now on section 2, el alfabeto y la puntuación, the alphabet and punctuation. So in this section, in Spanish, you'll be able to use the Spanish alphabet and punctuation to spell words and ask questions about new words and phrases. So let's continue. All right, so we're going to learn how to say the Spanish alphabet. It's very similar to the English alphabet and also very different. So I want you to take the time to repeat after me. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Enye, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, you can say V, W or W, X, Y, Z. And then there are 3 sounds that happen in the Spanish language that don't happen in English, especially the last 2, so I wanted to go through them with you. So we have che, eye, so pretend the double L is a Y sound, eye, and R, where you roll the 2 R's together. So again, those sounds are che, eye, R. So one more time from the top. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Enye, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Che, Eye, R. So, if you want to know how the alphabet goes, it goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ch, A, R. So hopefully you can rewind and replay that a few times and finally learn how to sing the Spanish alphabet. Punctuation marks. So in Spanish, we have something unique that does not happen in English, upside down punctuation marks, such as the upside down exclamation mark and the upside down question mark. They're placed at the beginning of a phrase to signal that a question or exclamation is coming. These are used along with those that come at the end. So now when you read a sentence, you can have your correct excited voice ready or question voice ready instead of waiting till the very end of the sentence to find out what it is. So, hasta luego, or ¿cómo se llama ella? So hopefully this is actually going to help you when you start reading in Spanish that you'll know if an exclamation or a question is coming. Make sure that you're taking notes down and writing these. Written accents. Some words have written accents in Spanish. An accent is a tilted line placed over a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, no other letters. And placing it over the correct letter is actually part of spelling the word correctly. So when you're learning new words, you must memorize where the accent marks are. Sometimes without the accent, it changes the entire meaning of the word or the sound of the word. So make sure that you put the accents where they are because they either change the meaning or the sound of the word. Like adios and lápiz, not lápiz, lápiz. And you kind of do a kick or emphasize the letter that's being accented. Tilde, or the end with the squiggle on top. The wavy line in the letter Enye is called a tilde. The Enye is pronounced similar to NY, like in the word canyon, the Enye sound. So, señor, we don't say senor, señor. Not compañero, compañero. So pretend that's an NY sound. So you can also ask how something is spelled in Spanish. To ask, you can say, ¿Cómo se escribe libro? How do you spell book? Se escribe L-I-B-R-O. So again, ¿Cómo se escribe? How do you spell? Se escribe, and you spell it out.
¿Cómo se escribe lápiz?
A little culture for you, el mundo hispano, the Spanish world. Los Mayas, or the Mayans, were among the earliest civilization in the Western Hemisphere to develop a form of writing with symbols known as hieroglyphics, or los hieroglyphicos. Each symbol or glyph represents a word or idea. So I'm sure that you've seen images like this in the past in your world history classes. So some practice. First, try spelling your name out loud in Spanish. Then practice spelling out different words in Spanish. So for instance, my name in Spanish is Señora Plested, right? Señora being Mrs. Señora-Plested. So practice spelling out your name in Spanish. Then go on to Pearson Realize app on Clever.com to enter your online textbook and complete the following activities. Do the assigned activity, activity 4. And please go in order, don't skip ahead, and just stop there before you move on to the next video lesson and activity. Gracias, and see you at the next one.